Good morning, students, and hope that you all are good at your home. Students, in this video, I will explain you note making. So this is the introduction of the note making. After that, the necessity of note making. And these are the some points that you have to follow. And after that, how note making help us. Characteristics of good notes. And after that, mechanics of note making. In notes making, you have to take short summary. This is heading and subheadings. You have to write as heading, and in each heading you have to write at least 5 subheading. And after that, abbreviation and symbols. This is the some example of short form that you have to use in abbreviation. And in notes making, you have to remember that notes should not be written in a complete sentence, as we can remember the whole information, so only the main points are listed one under the other and numbered. And after that, numbering and indentation. It's your conclusion. In note making is a useful skill. You must develop it with constant practice. Note from an essential part of your academic life. After that, how to write note making. These are the some points that you have to follow. From here, your example is start. This is your passage. After reading this passage, you have to make note making. These are as in note making, you have to prepare a one heading, one main heading, and in one main heading you have to take one subheading, and you will write point like this. For main heading, point 1, and for subheading 1.1, and for subheading 1.1.1, like this. And you can use ABC or Roman number also. This is the summary of the passage. So students, you have to write all these things in your copy and revise it. Thank you and have a nice day.